Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert checkmark symbol in Word document. In the first method, you need to go to the home and click the found arrow and select the wingdings to found, and now press shift plus P, and here it is. In the second method, you need to hold the Alt key, and on the numeric set keypad you need to press 0252 and release the Alt key. Now select it, go to the home and change the font to Wingdings, and here it is. Another method is that copy the symbol by Ctrl C and then go to the file, go to the option and go to the proofing and click on the autocorrect options, and in the replace box type backslash check, and in the other box press the check mark symbol, click add and OK, click OK, and now whenever to type backslash check, hit the space bar. Now select it and go to the change it to wingdings, and here it is. So in the fourth method you need to hold the Alt key and press 10003 and release the Alt key. So in the fifth method, hold the Alt key and press 10004. So in the sixth method, go to the home and click on the bullets icon, and here is the symbol. So in the seventh method, you need to press the window key and semicolon key. Emojis window will be appeared. You need to click on the search and type check. And here are different check symbol with box. So in the eighth method, click on the insert, click on the symbol, click on the symbols, more symbols, and in the font section you need to select wingdings, and in the character code you need to type 2052. Your cursor will automatically move to the check symbol. Click insert and close it. So with these 8 methods you can easily insert check mark symbol in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.